crawling round. Think how you would feel if you were in my shoes.
And understand it's a lonely man who's got these two-time blues.
Well, I sure could use some whiskey or something for my nerves. I ain't stopped shaking since I first heard the word. Everybody's seeing what's only mine to see, as his head's on my pillow where mine's supposed to be.
But you got me so worried that it all might be a waste of time.
Oh, and
I'm so afraid of knowing you're no longer mine. You got me so worried that it all might be a waste of time. Oh, and I'm so afraid of knowing you're no longer mine.
well, it didn't take me long to see what you were all about. My bags are packed and I'm on my way to get the first train out. You might find a memory related in this song when you said that this old boy can't wait one day too long.
You got me so worried that it all might be a waste of time.
Oh, and
I'm so afraid of knowing you're no longer mine.
oh, and
I'm so afraid of knowing you're no longer mine.
oh, and
I'm so afraid of knowing you're no longer mine.
oh, and
You're no longer mine. You're no longer mine.
oh.